to Gyan Jyoti Vidyalaya online classes. Today I will teach you class 10 English from the book Housefly chapter 3. That lessons 2 stories about flying. And out of this there are 2 parts, and first part I will teach you, that is his first flight. These lessons speak about a young bird, how he was very much curious to fly, but because of some good wish of the mother, this bird could fly. And in this chapter we shall learn about how a young seagull, one of the seabird, is afraid to fly, but how he conquered his fear and started flying. We shall discuss in this chapter. Yes, student? So let's start. His first flight, the young seagull was alone on his ledge. Yeah? Ledge means a narrow horizontal shelf projecting from a wall or a cliff. You can see in the picture. Projecting from a wall or a cliff in a horizontal place, this bird lives. It's called ledge. Let's see. His 2 brothers and his one sister had already flown away the day before. Yeah, 2 brothers and 1 sister with 3. They have already flew. Yeah, he had been afraid to fly with them, but this bird was fearful. He couldn't fly because he had a fear. Yeah, somehow when he had taken a little run forward to brink on the ledge and attempted to fly his wings, he became afraid. Yeah, somehow he tried to fly. Yeah, brink means the extreme edge of the land before the steep slope. Means somehow he tried to come to this place and try to fly, but he feared. Because of that, he could not fly. Yeah, the great expanse of sea stretched down beneath. Why did he fear? Because of sea, extreme sea. And because of extreme sea means very large sea, the bird couldn't fly. Yeah, and it was such a long way, miles down. Yeah, it is so much long distance of the sea. This bird feared to fly. It's okay. He felt certain that his wings would never support him. Why did he fear? Because he thought that my wing will not help me. When fear comes, person don't dare to fly. It's clear? So he felt certain that his wings would never support him. So he bent his head and ran away out back to the little hole under the ledge where he slept at night. Now, where he had come from, as he flew, he ran away to his own place. Yeah? Even when each of his brothers and his sisters, whose wings were far shorter than his own, his 2 brothers and sisters, their wings were very shorter, but still they could fly, but this bird couldn't. Why? Let's see. Whose wings were very shorter than his own ran to the brink. Brink is the color of this part. Yeah, flapped their wings and flew away, but he failed to muster of courage to take. Muster of courage is gather of his courage, gather of his strength, gather of his courage to take that plunge. Plunge is jump or dive quickly. Yes, which appeared to him so desperate. This bird feared a lot that he couldn't fly. Yeah, he felt so hopeless that I cannot fly. I have no strength to fly. That's why this bird could not fly. Okay? His father and mother had come around calling to him shrilly. Yeah? Parent always wish the child's improvement. Father and mother of this bird came and told, child, you try once. You try to fly. You just try once. Yeah? In a high pitch. Shrilly means with a high pitch voice told, my child wants to try to fly. Upholding him, upbraiding him is scolding him. You are not able to fly, try. If you try, you can fly. They encouraged him, threatening to let him start on his legs. Threatening means giving some rough words that you have to try, then you can also fly. Threatening to let him starve on his ledge unless he flew away. If you not fly, you will not get food. Starve means no more food, scarcity of food. Then if you not fly, you will not get food, and not get flew means you will die. You have to try your level best. Try to do something. Yeah? Yes, flew away, but for the life of him, he couldn't move. But this bird feared that if I fly, I'll die. My wing will not support. I can't get any strength. How can I? This bird feared, and this bird did not do anything. Okay, that was 24 hours ago. 24 hours means 1 day before story. Parents told like that. Okay, since then nobody had come near him. Already 1 day passed. 24 hours means already 1 day passed. Nobody thought about this bird. Two brother, one sister, father, and everyone is wandering here and there. Nobody came. It's okay. The day before, all day long, he had watched his parents flying about with his brothers and sisters, perfecting in the art of flight. Yeah, everybody, two brother, one sister, father, and everybody is flying very nicely. Yeah, they are very much enjoying this flying. Okay, and perfecting them in the art of flight. Art of flight means skill of flight, skill of flying in the sky, teaching them how to skim. Skim means to move slightly just above the surface of the sea. Skim means while water bird in the skim means catches fish, comes near the water. Yeah, they taught how to catch the fish in water. Yeah, very interesting. And how to dive for fish, how to dive for fish, how to catch fish, how to jump and take fish. Parent are teaching two brother and one sister, but this fellow is very hopeless. How can he do? Let's see. So how he had in fact seen his older brother catch his first herring and devour it. Yeah, he saw. Older means number one brother. Yeah. So he had in fact seen his older brother catch his first herring. Herring means soft, fine sea fish. He caught this fish and devoured it. Devoured it means eat very hungry, desirely or very speedily. Okay, standing on a rock while his parents circled around, raising a proud cackle. Now all these birds, parents circle around, raising a proud cackle means proud laughing that oh my child you learned how to catch fish. They are enjoying. Cackle is the very loud sound. Yeah, very loud, harsh way of laughing. Okay, and all the morning, the whole family had walked about on the big plateau. Do you know big plateau? Plateau what means? An area of fairly high level ground. This area is called high level ground. Plateau is the high level ground. Yes. So whole family had walked about on the big plateau midway down. The opposite cliff taunting him. Opposite side. This side. Cliff means the high steep area. Taunting means intended to provoke someone in an insulting. Intending means provoke and just commenting, commenting this word with his cowardice that you cannot fly, you cannot do, you have no strength. They were just intending, yes, taunting that you cannot do anything. You are a coward one. Cowardice means very fearful bird. Yeah, this bird had to suffer a lot. The sun was now ascending the sky. Yeah, morning time. Okay. Blazing on his ledge. Blazing means shining on his ledge. Ledge means this area that faced the south. Yes, south side. He felt the heat because he had not eaten since the previous nightfall. Already 1 day finished. This bird has not eaten anything. That means the bird is suffering a lot. Maybe weak, maybe no. I have no strength. He stepped slowly out of the brink of the ledge. Now, this bird tried to come near this ledge. Brink means corner of the edge of this steep area. And when he can, let's see, and standing on one leg with the other leg hidden under his wings. One leg tried to put inside tried with his foot and the leg hitting the wings. He closed one eye, then the other. One eye closed and then another eye opened and pretended to be falling asleep. Pretended means lying that I may fall down. That means this bird have the cowardice character. Very fearful feelings. Yeah. Still